Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPhone 12 mini mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo bottom screws by using a pendulum screwdriver. To take out the screen, first apply the heat to soften the glue on the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Alternatively, can use a heat gun or hair dryer. And then to lift the screen, need a good suction cup or something similar. In here, we are using a double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic cartwright tool or triangular picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book, and then remove the screw to take out the shield, and then undo the battery plug. Next, on top, undo 5 screws and take out the shield, and then disconnect the screen and the earpiece assembly plug. Next, to remove the battery, extract the adhesive from the battery. There are 3 sticky tabs. Gently peel and extract the adhesive. Please note the sticky tabs can be different from phone to phone due to previous repair history. Once it is completed, take a pry tool and lift the battery. Take out the battery and place a new battery with adhesive. Next, place the front screen on the body. First, connect the earpiece assembly, LCD connector and battery plugs to the board. And also, make sure to place both shields by adding screws. Next, to clamp up the iPhone, click in the top section first. Then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Next, insert the SIM tray and 2 screws in the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.